Welcome to the world of Maaiyu Nyanbox, where dreams take shape with nimble clay hands. We mold our fantasies block by block. Join our journey in this creative land. Each figure starts as a simple soft slab. We bring them to life with every twist and jab. Unique creations right in our lab. Watch magic happen, no need to grab. Maaiyu Nyanbox, where the magic begins. Crafting dreams with each tiny spin. Figurines that dance and grin. Making art is our ultimate win. From dragons to dolls with